A extreme competitive advantage, and it is the work that we do through and through. I would say that I like the whole analogy of the ice bath, but I find that people who are incredibly process oriented, people who love to learn, people who are curious, people that want to figure things out, tend to be the most successful in figuring out how to invent new ways of doing things, because I think we've all made the point on this call, the way that things have been done may not be how things will be in the future. I've pushed back a little bit that, and this is my personal preference, I have experienced a sales cycle with an AI native company, and all the AI is in the back, so the people and real human interaction can be in the front, and that's how they've changed, their unit economics of the company. And I think there's still real value from people that are part of a process. So I see kind of where you're going with this, Amanda. I don't disagree. There's huge opportunity, but I'm going to double down that people like relationships, people like and buy from people they trust and respect, and it also kind of depends on what kind of business you're in. If you're in a software-based, high-volume widget kind of business, maybe that's okay. But I think that businesses are incredibly complicated, and people need to make sure that they're doing the right things. And I mean, all of us here in technology sales, the technical teams, are always for the win. And I've met my share of architects in my life, and they are very hard to replicate an enterprise architect or people like that with some very, very deep skill with AI. I haven't seen it yet. I'm not going to say it's impossible, but